Alright, now since we got the One UI 8.5 on the Galaxy phones, whenever you open the Samsung messaging application, you will see that weird grayish background right on top here. And it looks really weird because this part of the background is black and this is completely grayed out, and that gray is not really cool. And this is the same issue on the Gmail application as well. If you look at Gmail at the bottom, it's the same light gray color which you see here, and even on the top you might be able to see that, and this is not really good. And many of you guys are annoyed with this change, specifically on the Google's messaging application and Gmail application. I think other Google apps are not affected with this light gray color in the background. And some of you guys have been asking me, why is this so and what is the solution for this? Let me give you a very simple solution. Now, this is the default theme that we have on the Galaxy phones on One UI 8.5. And whenever you are on default theme, you get this gray background on top of the Google messaging application and the Gmail app. Now, you just press and hold on the home screen, go to the wallpaper and style and tap on color palette and enable the color palette. Select any color palette that you want. Let me select a basic green color and apply here. Now you check out the Google messaging application. Check this out. Now it is dark and the color palette has been applied on this application. As you can see, this green here, and even the background, I don't know whether the camera is doing the justice. It is looking dark on the video, but yeah, to the naked eye, this has got the color palette. Now let's change the color palette here. Let's maybe select this teal color and let's go back and check this out again. There we go. We have got the color palette applied here on this application. Even the background is looking much better now. That light gray is gone. Let's check the Gmail application as well here. Yeah, here we go. You got the color palette, no more light gray here at the bottom and no more light gray on the top. This is how you can get rid of that light gray color. Apparently, Google has tuned the application to get the color palette effects. I think they either forgot to change that default light gray color on the application, or it could be a technical limitation for now. In any case, Google and Samsung have to work together to improve this application's color palette. The default color palette should not be gray, it should be dark like this. Now let me just quickly compare this with the default color. You can see this is the grayish background on top, and on the left you see that is after applying the color palette. Even when I select the messages here, it gets that gray color, you can see. And here, if I select a message, it has got that dark color. So that is how you can get rid of this light gray on your Galaxy phone. Just a quick solution so that you know. That's something I wanted to share with you guys. I'm waiting for the One UI 9 beta program. In the US, Korea, Germany, UK, you have already got the first beta. Here in India, I'm waiting for the beta program here. Do go ahead and open the members application and keep checking. Most likely tomorrow we are going to get the beta, or it might arrive today itself. We're not sure. This is going to be beta 1 here in India, which is beta 2 in the rest of the beta eligible countries. As soon as we get this update, I will keep you guys posted. Let's check out the all new features on One UI 9, compare it with the One UI 8.5. Let's dig deeper and see what are the new changes and features on One UI 9. So stay tuned for the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to check out Volvo's wallpaper application. The link for the app is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.